Do you love giving or receiving a box of chocolates for Valentine's Day? Well, what if you could take that box of chocolates to the next level with some cupcakes? In this video, I'm going to share how to make a box cake moist and fluffy, and then I'm going to show you how to make these adorable Valentine's Day cupcakes displayed in a heart-shaped box. If you're new here, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. I'm Maria, and I love crafts, cupcakes, and creativity. I get to be creative every day as a designer, but I know how important creativity is for the mind and soul. So make sure to subscribe right down there if you want to learn some different ways to be creative in your life. Okay, let's get going on this doctored up chocolate cake mix because, well, it's just so fun to get experimental in the kitchen, right? So I found this chocolate cake mix at Dollar Tree, and it calls for a few things on the back here, but we're gonna go rogue and we're going to try a few different things rather than what they suggest. I'm showing 3 eggs here, but I actually ended up adding a 4th. Then I melted a stick of butter to replace the water because why not? And then instead of oil, I used 12 ounces of sour cream. And then of course we have to pump up the chocolate factor a bit. So I have about half a cup of chocolate chips and 1/4 cup of Ghirardelli unsweetened cocoa powder. So today's video is actually part of a seasonal challenge that I put on for YouTubers to participate in and share their creativity with you. This season's playlist is Valentine's Day themed, so make sure to check out that link below, and then I'll put it at the end too, with some great cupcake ideas and cupcake displays all in one place. For this challenge, Rebecca from Stuff Moms Have Time For is my co-host, and she has such a knack for decorating cakes, and she does a lot of great home DIYs over on her channel. So make sure to check her out. I will put her link in the description box below this video. Since we want these cupcakes to look like chocolates, I wanted to use these dark brown cupcake liners. You'll want to bake at 350 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. So look how moist these cupcakes came out, and those chocolate chips got just the right amount of melted. I'll have the recipe over on my blog, artsycupcake.com, in case you want to put these together yourself. So while these are cooling down, you can work on the chocolate box. Oh, and fun fact, the first time a box of chocolates was made in a heart shape for Valentine's Day was in 1861. I found this box for a few dollars at Michael's. It has a hole in the top. I think it's meant for receiving Valentine's Day cards or something, but I really liked that it was deep enough to hold the cupcakes. I lined the inside with some red tissue paper just to finish off the look, but it's also functional because if any icing gets on the edges, they can just throw out that tissue paper and are still able to use the box for something else. found these chocolates at Dollar Tree and they were pretty tasty. If you wanted to make these deluxe, you could go with a fancier brand of chocolates for the toppers. Or if your sweetie likes white chocolate, then these would be really neat with vanilla cupcakes, white frosting, and some white chocolates on top. Depending on your size of box, if you have any empty spaces left, you can just fill those with the leftover chocolates. I finished off the box with a little ribbon and a gold bow. If you want to see that Valentine's playlist filled with all kinds of yummy cupcakes and cupcake display inspiration for Valentine's Day, then click right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.